Today's lesson we will discuss about identifying the products. We'll work as I told you in the last video, we'll work on two methods. I'll show you two methods. One is direct linking method and the next one is email marketing method. So you can make money using any of these with both the methods. So first of all, I'll tell you what these both methods are, and in this particular video, in this particular lesson, we'll learn how to identify the product for direct linking method. So first of all, I show you what these two methods are and how these methods work. So this is method number one, where you have the affiliate link with you and you send traffic directly to your offer, affiliate link, the sales page of the offer, direct traffic to your offer. Okay, now the chances are the visitor can buy the product. If he buys the product, you get your money, get the commission out of it, or he may leave the site, is gone. The criteria for choosing a product for method 1, direct linking, is entirely different from the criteria for choosing a product for this email marketing. This is method 2, wherein you send the traffic to your landing page or lead capture page, opt-in page, whatever you call it. At this page you capture name or email ID, or at least the email ID of the person, of the visitor, and that person comes into your email list, and then you redirect the person to thank you page if you want, or directly to the offer. Now if the person buys the product, good for you, you get the money. If he doesn't buy at that point of time and leaves the site, you still have his email ID with you, and you connect this email ID to your autoresponder, and the person starts getting email from your site automatically from the autoresponder. And each email, if you want, will direct him to the offer again. So the chances of closure would be higher than this method. And you got the email ID with you, that's your free traffic. You don't have to spend again and again on the traffic, right? This is your free traffic. In the future, you can again send the emails of the related products to this email list and again get some money out of it, right? So in this training, we'll discuss about both the methods. In this video, we'll identify the product for this method, direct linking. So for direct linking method, you need to remember some points. As we are sending traffic directly to the offer, we don't have a second chance to interact with the same visitor. We've got only one chance. So we need to choose a product which can solve any urgent problem of the visitor. The visitor is looking for some solution, some urgent solution, and we are putting that offer in front of him as a solution. So chances are he would go and buy it. So we need to understand the product must solve an urgent problem. Product should not be too expensive so that the person needs to think about it twice. It should be of an average price, right? Anybody can go and buy it. It should not be too expensive. Gravity between 10 to 60. We discussed about the gravity in the last video. Gravity shows us how many people are promoting the product and making money out of it, right? Higher the gravity, better the product is, I told you. But the competition is also higher. So in direct linking method, we don't want much competition. If I am promoting a product through direct linking, I don't want each and every affiliate and his grandma promoting the same product. I don't want that. I don't want that much competition, because I don't have the second chance to interact with my visitor. I've got only one chance. So the gravity should be average, 10 to 60. That's the maximum. Ideal number is around approx 30 to 40, right? So we need to think, we need to keep this in mind. The product must have affiliate tools available which can help me get a good ad copy, the banners if I want, okay, which can help me closing the sales. Some products which we should avoid for direct linking method, or should always avoid it. Products like forex trading, okay, as the refund rates are very high, the person will go and buy it but after some point of time, because Clickbank gives 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, so after some point of time they'll go and take the refund, so you lost your money whatever you spent on the traffic. Okay, so that's of no use working on these kind of products. We have to avoid the products which has so many links on the sales page which can distract the visitor. I'm talking about direct linking method only. For email marketing, we can promote any product of any gravity of any kind, because we've got the person's email ID with us. We can interact with the person again and again. Okay, we are not losing the person. So if the product page, the sales page has so many links in it, so many ads which can distract the buyer from the actual purpose of sending him there, so we should avoid that product. Our ultimate purpose is to close the sale. So sales page should be clean and should be focusing on one product, one closer. Okay, we should avoid the products with only a video on sales page, because it can increase the bounce rate of the page. Let's say if the person is not comfortable there with the accent of the video, he can again leave the site. So the better would be if the product has the video page, video and the content too, so that can engage the visitor, and the chances of the closer are high in that case. We have to avoid the product with exit pop-up on the sales page. Let's see this sales page. Okay, now this is only the video sales page. If I play the video, if I come here and play the video and I'm not comfortable with the language of it, so I'll leave the site. And when I try to leave the site, it shows me this pop-up. So we'll use Bing ads. We can search engine traffic is any day better, so we'll use Bing ads. As Google is not affiliate friendly, Bing is affiliate friendly. We can send traffic directly to our affiliate links. So for direct linking method, we'll use Bing ads. So Bing ads doesn't allow these pop-ups on any sales page, so we have to avoid this. Some products, some vendors gives us an option to change the formatting of the sales page. If I want content instead of video, I can do that. I can remove the pop-up from the page, so that option would be there on the affiliate page if it's possible. Then you can promote the same product too, because the video will not be there, or video plus content would be there, and then you can stop the pop-up. Then we can promote this product too. So I hope it's clear to you.